Welcome, my name is Thomas Ledford. I'm here to talk about this video, Package 1. My Package 1 deal is for people that's self-employed, non-incorporated, and you only pay for what you need, customizable package. So this package is for self-employed individuals only, and this package is based on your individual needs. So if bookkeeping is something you don't want now or already have a provider for, then that's something you won't pay for. It includes business setup, which includes assistance with employee identification number, DBA, business account. It includes 6 W-2s or 1099 filings or a combination of either one. We specialize in providing service for independent tax service and assisting individuals in starting their own income tax service. Having someone who can guide you through getting your business set up from A to Z is the fast track to success, because it saves you time and money. Because trying to figure out this business for yourself can be costly and put you and your business at risk. I've been in this industry for at least the last 18 years and having a mentor and or a guy when I started would have saved me time and money and allowed me to grow my business much quicker and smarter. But I didn't, and it's okay. So I'm giving people what I got and what I learned by learning this on my own and being in here for the last 18 years in this industry, and the last 12 as a business owner. And so, like I said, I specialize in helping individuals start their own tax service and guide you through what software and everything else you're going to need inside your office if you're doing brick and mortar or if you're doing remotely. Remotely just simply saying that you're working from home and people are going to utilize technology to get you the information you need to file their taxes. That's as simple as I'm going to put it when it comes to people talking about they're working remotely from home. We've been doing remotely forever. Ever since I was able to get a fax, that's remote. Because the people who fax it to me may or may not live in my city. And so that's remote to me. It's simple, as simple as it's going to get. And so if you're working remotely from home and you're using technology to receive and send files and tax returns of that nature, hey, that's fine. You got a lower overhead than a traditional brick and mortar. I started out a traditional brick and mortar business. I started from home, but I eventually got my own office, and I did that for several years. And and so, like I said, we specialize in people who start their own tax service. We teach people how to learn how to do income taxes. Some people take it for personal reasons, some take it for because they want to work in the industry, so people got their own reasons and want to take it. And so this Package 1 deal is great for people just getting started and you want to save some time and money, because people, I'm in a lot of different Facebook groups and people are in the groups, they're asking 7,000 questions and you're getting 7,000 different responses, and now you still got to go take the information and figure out which one you're going to use when it comes to the question you just asked. And so if you invest in a mentor and a coach who has the experience and the knowledge and the training under their belt, who can streamline it for you, where you don't have to ask in the group what's the best software, because there's no such thing as the best software. I'm going to ask you how much money you got for software, and I'm going to show you what you can afford based on your budget. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's going to streamline the process when you invest in a mentor and a coach who's going to help you get set up inside your income tax service and help you set up the software, the third-party banks, the office supplies, and other resources and tools that we use, especially if you're going to be doing remote or a combination of both. If you're a brick and mortar, well, you still going to have some remote clients, because you're going to have some people who may stay in different cities, who you may be doing, who may have used to live in Chicago, who relocated. You know what I'm saying? So that was the situation with me being in the industry for years. We had people relocated to different cities where they still want me to be their tax professional, and so they remotely send their stuff over so they can get them prepared year after year after year. And then we have people who live in the city who do drop-off service. And I'll see you in the next video.